everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tackling my bathroom cart. It's gotten a little out of control and it's time to declutter and reorganize. If you love a good reset, grab a snack, maybe do a little organizing with me, and let's get into it. So I'm starting by pulling everything out. Body products, hair products, random things that I've just been sitting here. It's crazy how quickly these things or these little spaces become cluttered. So I'm just trying to remove everything, get everything off, so I can reorganize. Some of these I use all the time, and others, well, they probably should have been tossed out a while ago. So if you're watching this and you have old or expired products, this is your sign to let them go. You know, decluttering reminds me a lot of life. Sometimes we hold on to things, old habits, doubts, even relationships that no longer serve us. It's like this bathroom cart. At first it seems fine, but over time things pile up and suddenly it's overwhelming. So I used to struggle with letting things go, whether it was expectations, past mistakes, or even just unnecessary stress. I carry it all. But I learned that making space physically and mentally gives room for better things to come in. It's a process. Just like organizing, life isn't about perfection, but about progress. So at times I become obsessed because I can be a perfectionist. I am obsessed with having something perfect and my idea of perfection, like what's in my head. And if I don't do it right, it causes me to procrastinate or just become stagnant. So I don't have any progress. But I recognize that long as I have progress, I'm okay. So as I clear this out, I'm also reminding myself to release what's no longer needed and make room for peace, clarity, and growth. Okay, so now that everything is sorted, I'm putting everything back in a way that actually makes sense. Hair products is in one section, body care is in another, and a little space for the extras. This feels so much better. If you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed in any area of your life, maybe start small. Declutter a space, release what's no longer serving you, and see how it shifts your mindset. Thanks for spending this time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the one area you need to declutter next.